This is our wind-up torch kit. It's a great, simple to build kit that allows you to learn about alternative renewable power sources in a simple way. The kit consists of a wind-up motor here and gearbox that generates electricity. This is fed to this PCB here, charges this capacitor, which then powers the LED. So here are the parts that are used to build the kit. We have a resistor, two diodes, the LED itself, the capacitor here that charges up when we wind the motor, some connecting wire to connect the motor and the motor itself. Once assembled, the kit will look like this. So as this motor winds, it generates electricity. This charges this capacitor up, and when there's enough charge, it powers the LED, and this can stay on when you stop winding, providing you provided enough charge by doing this into the capacitor. To wind the motor, you will need some kind of handle. Here we've created one using a very simple piece of laser cut plastic with a bolt, nut and bolt here that can be used to wind this motor. The motor itself has a flat-sided shaft that looks a little bit like a D. This means that when the handle is attached, it doesn't spin freely but stays attached perfectly and can wind the motor as we turn it. This creates some electricity, again, which powers the circuit board here. So for people who want to take things a little bit further, you could create something like this 3D printed case. Here we have a handle that tucks away and pulls out. This can be used to wind the motor and be tucked away again afterwards. The whole thing is 3D printed, and this part here is laser cut. Take the cover off. We can see inside how the kit mounts. So we have the circuit board here. We've shaped the LED so that it fits exactly where we want it to be. We have the motor here, and this time we've used much shorter connecting wire because we don't need long wires in this application. So it's a very neat little project and can be used to learn about lots of different things within design and technology.